in this video, we are going to show you how to use the context panel in Zendesk. Now, once you're logged in to Zendesk, right, you're in your dashboard, you want to work through tickets. So for example, we want to open this one. So the context panel in Zendesk Agent Workspace is a vertical bar or vertical panel on the right-hand side when you open a ticket that provides several actionable data. So what does that mean? Again, this is a customer ticket on our screen. If you look towards the right-hand side over here, as you can see here, this is pretty much your context panel. Now, what do you have here? You have customer context, right? So the profile, as you can see here, this is it. So knowledge, whatever knowledge they have is going to be here. There you go. Side conversation is going to be here. Related tickets, if they have other tickets. Approval request, if they have, it's going to be there. Tasks, if they have any tasks, it's going to be there. And then apps, there you go. So this is pretty much what the context panel is and how to use it. You just click on whatever you want. If you want to see a set conversation that they've had before, it's going to be there. If you want to see other related tickets to them, maybe they have past tickets that you might want to refer to in relation to the ticket you're working on for them. You can actually just click on this and it's going to show up here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.